Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Find X6 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record screen on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of the screen to bring down your toggles, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now one of those toggles should be a screen recorder. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you more. But you can see mine is located right over here. So once you see the toggle for it, you can tap on it. It will bring up an overlay with the ability for you to choose what kind of sound will be recorded. And we have system and mic, or you can obviously record both of those. We have the close button and record. I'm gonna start recording. This overlay will not be visible on the recording whatsoever. And whatever application you will open right now will be recorded. There are some limitations. Some applications have DRM, so they might not be recorded. But most of them, you should have no problem. Once you're done, interrupt to this overlay again and click on the check mark right here. And this will save the screen recording. Now going back to what I was saying about the DRM, applications that would use this typically do this to preserve the privacy and security of the user, and it's primarily being used, for instance, by apps like bank accounts or bank apps specifically. But it's also being used by apps that have zero business using it, like Netflix, which the reason I'm mentioning that is because Netflix comes pre-installed with the device, and even though you might not have agreed to any terms of service or use, not have downloaded it yourself, created an account, the app still can block the screen recording when you try to open it up, even though you're not signed in, which I would consider to be kind of breaking your privacy and security. So that's the exact opposite, as you haven't given it a single shred of a permission to do single F on your device, and the app can still do willy-nilly whatever the hell it wants. So if you ever encountered that what you captured was a straight up black screen, just know that whatever scumbag application you were trying to record was just blocking you from doing so. And while recording, there is no way of knowing what application will do this, as there's no notification about it. There is for a screenshot, but not for screen recordings. Now, to view the screen recording that we have captured, we will want to open up our Photos application. I'm first gonna look if there is gallery one. Also can't seem to find photos. Let's try to search for it. Oh, there we go, photos. So you can see our captured screenshot is visible right here at the top, but you also could be able to find it under albums, and videos is one, and screenshots is the other one, which makes it a little bit easier to find it down the line. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.